Imagine a place in the universe where the rules of physics as we know them completely break down. A place where gravity is so strong that not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's very real. It's called a black hole. In this video, let's dive into the mysterious world of black holes, what they are, how they form, and what would happen if you fell into one. What is a black hole? So, what is a black hole? In simple terms, a black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can get out of it. It's essentially an object with infinite density and zero volume. At least, that's what our current understanding tells us. The point at the very center is called a singularity, where all the matter is crushed into an infinitely small point. Surrounding it is something called the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, it can never escape. Now the next question, how are black holes formed? Most black holes form when very massive stars, several times heavier than our sun, run out of fuel. When this happens, the star can no longer hold itself up against gravity and it collapses in on itself. In a split second, it compresses all its mass into an incredibly small point, creating a black hole. There are actually a few types of black holes. Stellar black holes, formed from dying stars. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times heavier than the sun, sitting at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. And primordial black holes, hypothetical ones, possibly formed just after the Big Bang. Now here's a mind-bending thought. What would happen if you fell into a black hole? Well, as you get closer to the event horizon, gravity starts stretching you. This effect is called spaghettification. Yes, it's actually called that in astrophysics. Your body would stretch longer and longer like spaghetti because gravity at your feet would be much stronger than at your head. But here's the weirdest part. From your perspective, time would seem normal. But to an outside observer, it would appear as though you're slowing down, freezing at the event horizon, and after that, you're gone, forever. Wait a second. If black holes don't emit light, how do we even know they exist? Good question. Scientists detect black holes indirectly by observing their effects on nearby objects. For example, if a star orbits an invisible object at incredible speed, or if we see high-energy X-rays coming from a region in space, it's likely because matter is being pulled into a black hole, heating up, and emitting radiation before it disappears forever. In 2019, for the first time in history, scientists managed to capture an image of a black hole's shadow in the galaxy M87 using a network of radio telescopes around the world, a project called the Event Horizon Telescope. Should we be worried about black holes coming near Earth? The good news is, no. The nearest known black hole is over 1,000 light-years away, and the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way, called Sagittarius A*, is about 26,000 light-years away. So unless you're planning intergalactic travel anytime soon, you're perfectly safe. Black holes remain one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the universe. They challenge our understanding of physics and open up questions about time, space, and reality itself. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next mind-bending science explainer. And tell me in the comments, if you could visit a black hole safely, would you? Yes or no? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.